Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block the sun when it's shining in your face inside a Toyota RAV4. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. The sun visor up here, it's above your driver's side and your passenger side areas. So this visor goes down and it blocks the sun. And let me try to flip this camera. As you can see, here's your sun visor. It goes down and it comes up. And it also can come out like that and block the side sun. See that sun over there? Wee-oh, see that? Ooh. Ooh. You can block the sun and it snaps right in there. Oh, so good. And the driver's side does the same thing. It even has an extra thing. Let me show you this extra little thing over here. Oh yeah, extension. So it goes up, it comes down. Oh, didn't mean to get the big box store in there. Look at that, isn't that funny? Those trucks. The sunshine. You have to get the sunshine out of your eyes. Use the sun visor and get the sun out of your eyes, because the sun can give you cancer and you don't want skin cancer. The sun, although it can give you vitamins, your body can get vitamins from the sun. The sun hits the cholesterol in your skin and it converts it into vitamins, all kind of chemical reactions. But anyway, the sun visor in your car will help you. It will help keep the sun, the light out. It'll reduce the glare, reduce the light hitting your eyeballs. It'll reduce that. And the sun visor will help you. It'll help you in your Toyota RAV4. So drive your Toyota RAV4 and enjoy it. Thumbs up. Rate this video and say, hello Matthumanpizza. Have a great day. Rate it down or up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Matthumanpizza. Sun visor goes like this. You can't see, then you can see. It's like the opposite. When it goes down, that's when you can see better, because you're looking underneath. You're looking underneath the sun visor like this. It goes up and down and up, down, and to the side. Just like that. Sun visor is amazing. Have a great day.